Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Zuum energy gum subscription. So if you have taken any kind of subscription on this platform, so how you can cancel. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on official website zoom.com.australia.au and you need to log in into your account. Okay, and once you're logged in into your account, or you can use another method when you take any kind of subscription on this platform, when you create your account, they have sent you an email. On that email you can check out, you will find a link by which you can manage your subscription. Okay, and once you visit on their subscription page and once you log in into your account, you will find subscription page. Okay, on the subscription page you will find this kind of information, and you can cancel your subscription on this area. You can see over here there is an option like cancel my subscription or pause my subscription. You can also pause or you can also cancel your subscription. Okay, so by using this method you can easily cancel your subscription. So this is the method, and if you're facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.